What is good, YouTube? It's your boy AC Cool, and in today's video we're gonna react to How Everything Sounds When You're Trying to Sleep by CalebCity. You dig? I'm gonna say it again, bro. This nigga is funny as hell, bro. Like, this nigga be on some funny high type shit, you dig? So we're gonna get into it. We're gonna see if this shit gets, we're gonna see if it gets the AC approval or not, you feel me? We're gonna see if it pops or not, you dig? So let's get into it in 3, 2, 1, eat. Alright, YouTube, let's get it popping.
When I was growing up, people always used to brag about having 20/20 vision. Like, that was the thing. Oh, my place is 20/20, I guess. But did you know that 20/20 vision is just average? Like, that's just
everybody just chilling at the crib.
Everybody's vision was as garbage as mine.
Hey, bro, can you turn it down a little bit? I'm trying to sleep.
I have to pay for this. I have to pay to see. What everybody else gets for free, I gotta pay. I have to pay to not die while I'm driving.
Low key, dog. That whole beat sounding loud as fuck when you try to go to sleep.
Gee, did you turn it up? What? Dog, it sounds louder than before. Bro, it's on 2. What are you talking about? It's on 2, look. See? What? But it sounded
bro,
so loud.
on some real shit, that whole be happening to me. That whole be happening to me.
You good, bro? Get some sleep. Yeah.
I be tired as hell thinking that whole sounds loud as fuck. Nigga tripping as hell.
Okay, now I know it's not on 2 volume, bro. That's stupid. Bro. This is stupid. The TV is off.
Bro.
I must have heard something else. Yeah, it gotta be, actually. It gotta be. Yo, what is going on? Yo! Seriously, what are you doing in here? Bro, are you dog, I'm literally in here just clipping my nails. You were just clipping your nails? What is wrong with you, bro? That was it? That was all you was... Yo, bro, that's what I heard. What is wrong with you?
Nigga on some shrooms or
loud?
something, bro.
What's up, bro? Your hearing is outrageous. It can't be it. It doesn't make any sense. What do you want me to do? But it was so loud. What can I do? Tell me.
Hey. I fucks with it, cause that whole be something, that whole be true, bro. Nigga, I be trying to go to sleep. I'm like, hey, can I turn it down? Nigga, when I go to bed, I'm tired. I can hear that shit, bro, and niggas be on, and I just go, hey, turn off that shit, cause that one sounds too loud. But yeah, I fucks with it. You know, I'm gonna give this shit an AC approval. Hopefully y'all fuck with this shit too. And yeah, this shit gets the AC approval, and AC cooling out.